This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by DiMaio. If you're ready for country living, this beautiful home is for you. Sitting on 5 acres of gorgeous country, this 2022 home features a stunning kitchen with a huge sink and island and a split floor plan. The primary room features an ensuite bathroom with a massive soaking tub, separate shower and double sinks. This home also has a well house with 8x8 and 12x10 storage areas for all of your storage needs. Come check out this amazing property today and call it home. For more information, review the details below or contact DiMaio at 337-239-2121.